Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. So today at the request of my roommate, I am going to be making chicken enchiladas with corn tortillas. So before we get to cooking up this dish, I want to thank everybody for watching. All my regular viewers, I want to say thank you for helping to support the channel. And to my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And to remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's make some chicken enchiladas in corn tortillas. For our chicken enchiladas, you're going to need the following: corn tortillas, some oil, your favorite Mexican all-purpose seasoning, enchilada sauce, chicken breast, and cheese. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to cook our chicken breast. So I've got a foil lined baking sheet, and we're going to add our chicken breasts. And as always, whenever we are working with raw meat, we want to make sure and wash our hands when we're done. So I always have a little bit of a bleach towel available, little towel with a little bit of bleach water on it. So we're going to cover these with some olive oil and then our favorite Mexican seasoning. And we want to go heavy. Make sure we get this coated on all sides. And there we go. So now these are going to go into a 375-degree oven till they get to an internal temperature of 165. So now that our chicken is cooked and shredded up, so what we're going to do is we are going to throw this into a large bowl. And we're going to add in some of our enchilada sauce. And I'm going to add just a little bit more of my Mexican seasoning blend. And we're adding in our cheese. Now we're going to give this a good mixy mix. And now we have our filling ready for our enchiladas. So now we're going to get our corn tortillas and fill them up. Okay, so we have everything together. So we've got us a 9 by 13 baking dish, and what we're going to do is we're going to add some of our enchilada sauce to the bottom. And we're going to evenly spread this out across the bottom of the baking dish. And there we go. So we're going to set this over here to the side, right here. So we have our tortillas. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our tortillas and we're going to get a scoop of our filling. Ooh, and there we go, making a mess. And we're going to roll them up. And then, as you can see, we've got our bottom seam here. So we're going to put that on the bottom. And so we're going to continue with our tortillas and our filling till we get our baking dish filled. So we have our tortillas, which have been filled with our filling. So to this, we're going to pour over some more of our enchilada sauce. it's still good. And now we're going to top it with our cheese. And I'm using a Mexican cheese blend, but if you want, you can just use the regular cheddar cheese blend. It's totally up to you. So now this is going to go into a preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to cook this for about 20 to 30 minutes. So our enchiladas have been in the oven for 25 minutes. So now let's get us plated up. I'm going to try my best not to make too big of a mess, because everybody knows that when it comes to a red sauce, I tend to make a mess. So let me grab my spoon here. There we go. One side. And boom. Set that up. Add me just a little bit more sauce. Just a little bit. And there we go. Oops. There we go. Now that we have our chicken enchiladas all plated up, let's give these a try. And being they're fresh out the oven, they're probably going to be pretty hot. Oh yeah. Nice little kick from the enchilada sauce too. So these are really good. So if you give this recipe a try, please leave me a message in the comments below and tell me what you think. And to all my viewers, I want to say thank you for coming to my channel. New viewers, please remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So I'm going to let everybody go, and I'm going to finish off these chicken enchiladas.